those struggling with numbers in Spanish. Whether you want to buy something, ordering food, or just if you want to count like a pro, hoy vamos a aprender números en español. Stick with me, and by the end, you will know how to count in Spanish as a pro. ¡Vamos! So, let's start with the basics. Numbers 1 to 10. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 y 10. Great job! These numbers will help you out with daily activities such as ordering a coffee or asking for the time. For example, 2 cafés con leche, por favor. Quick challenge. Can you write your birthday in Spanish? For example, yo nací el 27 de marzo de 1991. Write your birthday in Spanish below, okay? Very good. Now, let's move up a bit. Numbers 11 to 20. Some of these have a unique way, but don't worry. And as we always say, poco a poco. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See the pattern? So, starting from 16, it's just 10 plus the number. 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, let's test you. Which number is 18? Write your comment below. Perfect. For 20s, we're gonna put 20 plus the number. But it's just one word. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 y 29. Muy bien. Let's pick things up. Now, here's the numbers by tens from 30 to 100. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 y 100. Perfecto. So, if you want to say a number like 45, you just need to say the 10 plus y plus the number. For example, 45 is 40 y 5. Muy bien. Do you want to practice your Spanish numbers? Join us at Camino Barcelona for a full immersive experience. Take a free trial and you will get the chance to speak with natives. Join us at Camino with the link below. Great! Now that you know the basics, let's look at bigger numbers. For example, 101, 200, 300, and so on. For example, 1000 is 1000. Hola, ¿cuánto cuesta un curso de 4 semanas?
720 euros.
Perfect. Knowing numbers helps you talking about money, book a hotel, or even just trying to understand a receipt in Spain. Perfect. Let's see who is paying attention. How do we say 500 in Spanish? Type it in the comments below. Muy bien, amigos. Now you know how to count Spanish. Si quieres practicar un poco más tus números, come and join us at Camino Barcelona. We offer fun, interactive lessons. Come and try a free trial.